Okay, we just finished placing the floors. Now we're going to go back and put ceilings on our floors, our ceiling on our first and our second floor. And I'm still going to be working in level 1 and level 2 floor plans. So I'm going to double click on level 1, and I'm going to go up here to the architecture tab, and then I'm going to click on ceiling, and it's on automatic ceiling, which is good. If I wanted to do something special, I could use the sketch ceiling and sketch the ceiling wherever and however I wanted to. Over here, I am going to change this. This is an acoustic tile ceiling like you would see in our school building or in any commercial building. I'm just going to click on edit type, and I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to call this dry wall ceiling, or you can call it whatever you want to. It doesn't matter, as long as you know it's drywall, ceiling, or something. Now click on the edit button, and I want to change this material. Everything else stays the same, well, except for this right here. On the structure of the framing material for this acoustical ceiling, I really don't need much of a structure, because my drywall is actually going to be attached to my trusses underneath, or above, it's going to be attached to those trusses. So I do have to have a structure. I can't get away from that. So I can just take this and just make it like a very small structure, like 0.125. That's like that's like an eighth of an inch, I think, or something. I'm probably wrong there. But, oops, that's 1.5 inches. Okay, 0.125 inches is what I should have done. Now I've got it to 1/8 an inch. Okay, the finish for the acoustic ceiling tile, I'm going to change that to gypsum drywall, or gypsum wallboard is what they call it in here. And there it is. And the thickness is okay. I can leave it at 5/8. It's good. And then I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click OK again. And now it's a matter of placing my ceiling, which right now, okay, because, see, I have my levels set a certain way, so it's not really seeing what and where I want to do this. So actually, I don't want to put it on level 1. I want to change this to top of wall 1, and I'm probably actually going to even go lower than that. Now, or actually no, I'm going to do it as top of wall 1. I was having trouble remembering exactly what I had designed earlier. So now I can actually it's allowing me to place it in there. It's finding the wall. So I click, and okay, it says line in sketch is slightly off axis and may cause inaccuracies. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to check it out later and do whatever editing I need to. Alright, so that's your level 1 ceiling. Now I'm going to go to level 2, and I'm going to place a ceiling on level 2. And architecture, ceiling, I'm going to use the same ceiling. And I'm at level 2, height offset from level 2 is 8 feet. That's good, because I want these walls to be 8 feet. I want 8 feet ceilings. Same thing, but that's okay. I'm just going to ignore it for now. Come back later and check it out. Alright, I'm going to go to my 3D view, and you can see I have ceilings here. You can't really see the one on the first floor, but I'm about to see it, because I'm going to go in here again and click on my section box, which is already clicked on. And now I'm going to come over here and cut my house in half. Maneuver here. I can click on this right part of the cube here where it says right, the button on the view cube, and it will give me pretty much a elevation view. Alright, so I need to locate my ceilings. Okay, that is floor. And where are my ceilings? Maybe it did not actually make my ceiling. Okay, I see something here. Compound ceiling and compound. Okay, I see. I was really messed up when I actually placed this one. That one actually needs to be, it says top of wall 1 level, but it's also 8 feet offset, so that actually needs to be 0. And now it's back down here where it's supposed to be, but I still need to do some maneuvering, some editing here, because as you can see, it's kind of up in my joist, in my trusses there. So I'm going to move it down till it gets below my trusses. Up here at the top, I'm going to look at that one and see how it's placed. I think it's okay. Yes, it is perfectly okay. Had to recenter there. Alright, so that is how you do ceilings. Now, of course, you're going to have a roof with other trusses and stuff up here in a little bit, and I will go over that next.